For generations, we've been taught that our DNA is our destiny, an unchangeable blueprint passed down through time. But what if there's a master switch, an invisible architect, capable of modifying that blueprint without altering a single letter of its code? This isn't science fiction. It's the emerging reality of epigenetics, a revolutionary field exploring how lifestyle and environment can actively influence our genetic expression. And at the heart of this intricate dance, a familiar nutrient is taking center stage: vitamin D3. Most know vitamin D3 for its crucial role in bone health, a sunshine vitamin essential for calcium absorption. Yet, its true power extends far beyond skeletal support. D3 isn't just a vitamin, it's a precursor to a powerful steroid hormone, a molecule capable of traversing cell membranes and directly interacting with the inner workings of our cells. This hormone-like function hints at a much deeper, more fundamental role in our biology, a role that directly impacts the very machinery controlling our genes. Central to epigenetics is a process called DNA methylation. Imagine tiny molecular tags, methyl groups, attaching themselves to specific sites on our DNA. These tags don't change the genetic code itself, but they act like dimmer switches, turning genes on or off, up or down. This silent code plays a critical role in almost every biological process, from embryonic development to aging and disease. Understanding how we can influence this process opens up profound possibilities for health intervention. The key to vitamin D3's epigenetic influence lies in its receptor, the VDR, or vitamin D receptor. When D3 binds to VDR, it forms a complex that travels into the cell nucleus, where it directly interacts with our DNA. This interaction isn't arbitrary, it specifically influences the expression of crucial enzymes involved in DNA methylation, the DNA methyltransferases, or DNMTs, which had methyl tags, and the 1011 translocation, or TET, enzymes, which remove them. D3 essentially helps orchestrate the methylation landscape. Researchers are now exploring the specific impact of high-dose vitamin D3 supplementation on this methylation process. Clinical studies often investigate daily doses ranging from 2,000 to 10,000 international units, or IU, with some trials even examining short-term, higher bolus doses. The scientific community seeks to understand if these elevated levels can drive more significant, targeted epigenetic changes, potentially unlocking new therapeutic avenues. This research signifies a pivotal shift in how we perceive and utilize this common nutrient. The implications of D3's influence on DNA methylation are profound. By modulating gene expression through epigenetic tags, high-dose D3 could impact critical biological pathways. Early research suggests potential benefits in areas such as bolstering immune function, guiding proper cell differentiation, a process vital for healthy tissue development, and orchestrating anti-inflammatory responses. Imagine a future where precise D3 supplementation could fine-tune our genetic defenses against a spectrum of health challenges. The growing awareness of vitamin D3's broad health implications, including its epigenetic role, hasn't gone unnoticed by the market. The global vitamin D market was valued at an impressive $1.1 billion in 2022. Projections indicate this market is set to more than double, reaching $2.3 billion by 2030. This meteoric rise reflects not only increased health consciousness but also the aging global population seeking proactive wellness solutions. Investors are betting big on the future of this essential nutrient. Beyond supplement sales, the science itself is attracting significant investment. Government grants and private funding flowing into epigenetics research have shown remarkable growth, with a compound annual growth rate of 15% over the past 5 years. This surge in investment underscores the scientific community's deep interest in unlocking the secrets of epigenetic modulation. Historical financial documents reveal a clear pattern: where groundbreaking science goes, investment dollars follow, fueling the next wave of discoveries in human health. Despite the exciting prospects, the journey into high-dose D3 and epigenetics is still in its early stages. Important cautions remain. The long-term effects of chronic high-dose D3 on the epigenome are still under investigation, requiring careful study. Researchers are working to define the optimal dosage for specific epigenetic modulation, acknowledging that individual responses can vary significantly. This complex interplay means that what works for one may not work for another, highlighting the need for personalized approaches. In conclusion, vitamin D3's role in DNA methylation offers a tantalizing glimpse into controlling our health at a fundamental genetic level. It's a field brimming with potential, attracting billions in investment and driving groundbreaking research. Yet, it also demands scientific rigor and patience. As researchers continue to unravel this complex epigenetic puzzle, one thing is clear: our understanding of how simple nutrients interact with our deepest biological processes is rapidly evolving, promising a future where we might truly become the architects of our own genetic well-being.